Assalamu alaikum friends. I'm your brother Rathar Mudassir and I hope you all will be fine. From today onwards we are going to start a new series of lectures about history. And this is the first part of this series in which we know the answers of the basic questions of history. So let's start. First question is, from which language word history has been derived? The word history comes from the Greek word histo, which means know this, and historio, which means learn by inquiry. Second question is, who is the inventor of the term history? Herodotus was the inventor of the term history. Now question arises, what history is? What history is about? What is history? What history is about? History is a study of the events and great men of the past on the basis of available material, remains and records. History can be defined in many ways, but it always studies the life of great men, events, cultures, and civilizations that relate to religion, art, architecture, literature, and philosophy. Now, question is the history only about the kings? History is not limited to the study of the life of mighty kings and the battles they fought. It also tries to find out how ordinary people got their food in past, when and how they learned to grow food and domesticate animals, how they discovered fire, etc. In short, we can say that history is the life story of man from the earliest period to the present day. Now question arises, who is considered as the father of history? Who is the father of history? Herodotus is known as father of history because he invented the word history. According to Herodotus, what history means? According to Herodotus, history means study or investigations of the past. These were the basic questions about history. So, see you soon. Thank you.